cameras, people watching.
This is Vinny and Cody from V-Force Customs, and we're on Main Street, and we've gone 2XTREEM.
You know what? I really like that song.
Hey, me and my cousin Vito, we guys watch this show every day.
Hell yeah! 2XTREEM, baby! 2XTREEM.
We're watching 2XTREEM.
Good deal, man. That's awesome, man.
Kind of represents the Saturn V. Too much power.
Never seen that in Europe.
2XTREEM Motorcycle TV, supported by the pros.
Ed Bostrom. We're here at Daytona 2008. We're watching 2XTREEM Motorcycle TV. Thank you very much.
I take them out. I take them out.
And I'm going to be seeing you guys soon with a build for 2XTREEM.
Hi, this is Scott Russell, and you're watching 2XTREEM Motorcycle TV.
Greatest feeling in my life.
I'm Ashley Freilich, and you're watching 2XTREEM.
Newly crowned Women's National Motocross Champion and arguably the most accomplished female athlete in the world will never be able to hear the crowds cheer. Her name is Ashley Freilich, and she is totally
So
deaf.
cool that I won the championship. Like for 2 weeks, I just had a smile on my face.
Are you ready for 2XTREEM? The fans are.
I do. This is my personal bike in the exhibit.
Yeah, it's fun. There's some hot girls here.
In the early 70s, Kenny Bowmeyer rival.
I did Matrix Reloaded, doubling Trinity, riding the Ducati.
To see the bike and how, amazing it looks, knocked out of the park.
These guys have got some killer bikes. Yeah, I've seen some tremendous paint jobs and things that really do a lot with a bike. This is a lot more than that. This is the whole package. The words are authentic, man.
Stick in their minds that we came from this in a left field direction. Nothing typical about this bike. And that's exactly what we wanted to say, because what's typical about a Saturn V?
This 2X crew is not known to wimp out. They mix it up in competition.